Hello friends, I am Sandeep and you are watching my channel Sandeep Orchid. Today I will share my own experience about rebloom of Phalaenopsis orchid. So keep watching till the end. If you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. After blooming, your Phalaenopsis orchid can rebloom on same flower stalk. It is very interesting for every orchid lovers. These are the blooms you can see. This is an old spike. I had cut it but no flowers on this spike. One more new spike coming out. Already two spikes are blooming right now. One of them is from old stock and the other is new. This one is also a flower spike. This one is another spike. These flowers are from secondary branch of old spike and this is the new spike. I cut two old spikes 9 months back with a hope to get secondary branches and thank God I got it. This is one of my Phalaenopsis orchid and it is my newly collected plant, but due to transportation all buds are fallen off. This is the most important point. If you feel your plant is healthy enough, then you can try this process. And if your plant is not healthy enough, then this process will not work. You can see here all the buds are fallen off. Now no buds are here, you can see, and I will cut from this node from 1 inch above. Don't try this process with any unhealthy plant. As example, it bloomed last year but due to fungal infection the main plant was damaged. After treatment you can see a new growth is growing from the base. This is the old spike. You can see it dried up. As the plant is unhealthy, so I will cut off the old spike because it's consuming energy from this sick unhealthy plant. This is the old spike which I will cut off from the base. Now I will cut off this old stalk from the base with sanitized scissor. That plant can concentrate on growth. It's very simple. just cut off from the base. Now this plant can concentrate on growth. That plant was unhealthy, but this is a good healthy one, so I can try this process on this plant. If you want to promote plant's growth, then you can cut it from the base. This is the secondary node. Here you can see you can expect a secondary branch from this node. See carefully, I am cutting just 1 inch above the secondary node with sanitized scissor. Just cut off from 1 inch above from the secondary node. In this period need good amount of indirect sunlight. Now I will use cinnamon powder on the cutting end to prevent fungal infection. It's a good natural fungicide and bactericide. It is available in every kitchen as a spice, you know that. Use it on the cutting end. So let's hope for the best. That's all for today. Hope this video will helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.